What time is it? What year is it? Sometimes I feel so old, my rheumatism's bad. My body clock is ticking and arthritis drives me mad. I'm quite static, I'm dramatic, diplomatic, that's for sure. Got a safe pair of hands and all sorts of plans to make us bigger than before. Let it all hang out. I'm gonna spell it out. Everybody get back in line. Let me hear you say, what time is it? It's Chico time. Well, I might sound imperious, but politics is serious. I might sound imperious, but politics is serious. It's Chico time. Now Kennedy has gone, it surely won't be long till disaffected socialists and Tories come along. If you want it, you got it, come get it, you'll be so impressed. I share the views of Hune and Hughes, but I'm much more smartly dressed. I know how to sprint, I've got a classy bit. Everybody better get in line. Let me hear you say, what time is it? It's Chico time. You don't have to be a brat to be a Liberal Democrat. That's right. You don't have to be a brat to be a Liberal Democrat. Oh, is that the time?